Yo, so what's good? If you're new to this channel, please go and drop a subscribe, help me out. On the road to 500 subs, but today I'm in my own car, my MK6 Ford Fiesta. So I'm just going to jump straight into it, and yeah, here we go. So yeah guys, this is my MK6 Ford Fiesta. The colour's Tango red, it's got like orange pearlescent or flaking, I can't remember which one it is. But not so long ago, me and my dad had to repaint the back boot lid and the spoiler because black appeal and a bit of rust underneath the window. But other than that, the specs of this Fiesta is, it's a Zetec climate. So it's got aircon, it's got factory rear tinted windows, and it comes with a heated front window as well. So it's not too bad. Things that I've done to this car so far is I've resprayed the centre console, which you guys are stuck on because you're on my GoPro. Me and Tom Broadhouse did some LED lights which are fitted up to a switch. Like I just said, resprayed, boot lid, spoiler. It came with the ST spoiler, so that's quite a win-win. Put some, I think they're called Calibra wheels, 15 inches on there. They're black. I did have 45mm low springs on, but it's done some serious damage to the underneath of the car, so that had to come back up. So yeah, it's 1.25, not the best, but now let's go for a drive down some country lanes. So yeah, there we go. So yeah, this car is only a 1.25, and I think from the factory it's 75 brakes. Obviously it's 14 years now actually, because 2021. So yeah, 75 brake horsepower, not a lot. It's fairly nippy, it's not too bad. What miles is it on actually? It's quite low miles as well for like the age. It's 77,537. It's not too bad. Not really had much problems with it either. Coming into the country lanes now. So let's give it a quick little blast in a second. I want to hit 500 subscribers really soon, so I'd appreciate it if you guys could like actually go and subscribe and maybe even share this video, or even my recent videos. So I did a C63 AMG and pops and bangs on a 340i. Insane. I was supposed to film with him today, but due to weather traction, it's a no-no. Jesus Christ. So this should be quite fun on this tight bend, and plus it's wet. It's been absolutely tipping it down all day. Just got back into the Nationals, so coming to this sharp bend, and after this bend I'll give it a bit of a tickle, see what it does. Say she's an old girl, she does well, I'm proud. What do you think about this cream roof liner? Black? I reckon it should be black, especially for like all the panels as well. Just drop a comment down below if you reckon I should do those. And also, what do you want to see? What's gonna like make you feel interested in watching these videos, or what do you generally want to see? So if you drop that down in the comments as well, I'll reply, pin them, and I might even get them done. So obviously that'll help me out in the future. I've got a few cars lined up as well. I've got a 340i, which is supposed to be filmed today, like I said. A 420D, I assume it is. Yeah, 420D, yeah. We've got a Mark 7 Ford Fiesta EcoBoost, which is running stage 2 remap and quite a few goodies. And I'm not going to gossip anymore about those, so have to wait and see. So if you drop a subscribe, also click the notification bell, you'll see those videos. Oh, you know what, I'm just going to tickle it now. Puts a smile on my face, so I really underestimate it. Say it's 1.25. Absolutely beast. I've here, so go and follow it. That's when you'll see when I'm going to upload my videos and take pictures of this car, etc. So yeah, appreciate it if you can go and follow that. Ooh, this is a good one actually. What about car meets and like going to like car shows? Would you guys be interested in that? Because I know for sure I'll be interested in those. That's all I want to do for like many years to come. Just go to shows, record, have fun, make content. Just all about the vibe really. But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. It'll mean a lot to me. Help me out, you know what I mean. Hopefully get to 1,000 soon and 4,000 hours next time. So yeah.